Hey everyone, check out the AMZCHEF 21-inch RV gas range stove with a built-in oven. This compact 3-burner unit delivers 28,100 BTU for all your cooking needs. Stylish knob lights show red for active use and blue for standby to keep your family safe. Heavy-duty cast iron grates and an enamel inner pot make cleaning up effortless on every trip. The package includes a handy baking rack, air fryer basket, and grease collection tray. Enjoy reliable meals on the road with this space-saving and powerful RV kitchen upgrade. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.